Conversion rates are absolutely critical for foundation repair contractors and every other business. If you ever talk to a marketing agency and they're wasting your time talking about web visitors, wow, you need to get a new agency. A web visit doesn't mean anything. You want the phone to ring. You want to be able to book estimate calls. You want to be able to receive web forms so that you could schedule your inspectors out at the home. So conversion factors are absolutely critical. If you look at your website, there's a lot of different factors to consider with your website, but you want a web visitor to turn into a lead. And there's a lot of different things you could do to your website to make sure that it's going to convert that web visitor to a lead. Things like several calls to action, things like images, easy to access phone number, no hide and seek with your phone number. Put a web form on the home page above the fold, ideally. But go through your website and think about, is this website optimized for conversions? If it is, you're going to get more leads. If you're going to get more leads, you're going to get more sales. Start with the basics and run with it.